We are making it easy to keep your charts on brand in observable canvases. Now, you can quickly define your own custom colors for different category levels. Let's take a look. Here I am in a canvas with a table node previewing records and variable distributions for a dataset on building energy use. We can see the 4 building categories are kindergartens, schools, nursing homes, and offices. To give each building category its own data-driven color, I'll add a new column called category colors. Then, I'll add a case-when expression that defines the color for each category. These colors can be valid CSS color names or hexadecimal color codes. I'm using CSS color names, defining a gold color for kindergartens, indigo for schools, dark turquoise for nursing homes, and silver for offices. I've just added this code manually, but you can also ask AI to help you out to create your new color column. With my colors added, I create a new chart node and select stacked bars for the chart type. In the data pane, I'll choose the energy performance label variable for Y, then my new category colors column for color. I can see that the chart now shows counts for each level by color using my custom gold, indigo, dark turquoise, and silver palettes. To add the legend, I'll update the group label field to building category. Now, I have an interactive chart with a custom data-driven color palette. And other charts I add downstream from my table node can use the same color scale for quick on-brand visualizations.